Good morning all of you. I am Aditya from BCA 5th semester, batch 1. We often see on clicking any button, just one dialog box will appear. This dialog box, how it is work and how it is made in any programming language. Today I will show you by the help of the JavaScript package. So JDialog box is a class which we use to create a dialog box in JavaScript packages with the help of the JavaScript packages. Dialog box is a top level container which appears on our main parent frame or screen. Okay, many examples of the use cases of the JDialog box is also mentioned here. That is confirmation boxes, input boxes, customs forms, etc. We can create with the help of the JDialog box class. Beside this, we can see here how can it looks. This is the main parent frame. Over which there is a button. On clicking that button, that particular dialog box will be appear. This is the dialog box. This is the content of the dialog box. We can put as much contents as we wish to put on that particular dialog box. Type of the dialog box. There are basically two types of dialog box in this JavaScript packages. The dialog box will be, first one is model dialog box, and second one is non-model dialog box or modelless dialog box. Model dialog box has those type of dialog box. First we have to perform the task that is mentioned on that particular dialog box. Only then we can switch to another dialog box or another frame on that particular screen. But in non-model dialog box, we can work on that particular dialog box as well as we can switch to another frame on that particular screen. There are some use cases of this JDialog box which is mentioned over here. That is alert message. On performing any task, if we have to send alert messages to any user, we can create JDialog box, and on that particular JDialog box, we can put the certain details of that particular alert and particular messages. We can also create a confirmation dialog box. That is, our dialog box will appear, and all the confirmations will be taken. Permissions will be taken from the user. Another one is input dialog box. With the runtime, if you have to take input from any user, we can use input dialog box. Another one is custom dialog box for a specific task. Beside all these three use cases, if we have to use of another, if you have to perform any another task, we have to take another confirmation boxes, input boxes, or any other things. We can also create our customized dialog box in which we can put the things as per our wish. Beside this, let's understand it with the help of the course. This is the basically code which we have written in Java with the help of the JavaScript packages. Here we have created we have imported all the required classes or the subclasses, and there is the main class, that is my class, that is our dialog box. Here I have implemented action listener to use the action listener interface. When we click on a particular button, then certain action will be listened, and according to that particular action, the required performance will be done. Here this is the required classes. Here of this particular interface, we have our action perform method which we have to override it. Accordingly, it gives an object of the action event which have the details of the what is that event contains. This e.get event command, action command will tell us what is written on that particular button. That will be stored in this string, and if that string is equal to red, then our JDialog box panel color will be is to red. If it will be green, then panel color will be green. It will be yellow, then panel color will be yellow. Let's run it and understand it with the help of the output. This is my parent frame over which I have three buttons. These three buttons have red, yellow, and green, which I have created with the help of the JButton class. And when I click on red, what will be happen? Let's see. When I click on red, that red will be the color of that particular child. That child is some JDialog box, and then this is the panel. This panel color is going to be red, and this is the content of that particular JDialog box. If I click on yellow, that particular color of the JDialog box will be yellow. If I click on the green, then that particular panel color will be green. So this is the parent frame. This is the JDialog box which appears on the runtime of the program. So thank you. This is the program which I have written with the help of the JavaScript packages. That's all about the JDialog box. Thank you.